My name is Marcus Birks. I'm a touring artist, speaker, entrepreneur, son, brother, uncle, husband, but above all, human being. I want to help all the outcasts and underdogs to see the best in themselves, to become a spiritual outlaw with me. My early life was a very different story than today. I grew up in a small market town where I was the only mixed race kid in school. I suffered extreme racial abuse on a daily basis. I used to run away from school and try to scrub my skin white just because I wanted to be accepted and fit in. My mum was a single parent struggling with alcohol, and I was the oldest of 6 children. We all had different dads. We was very poor, and although we didn't have much, my mum did her best by us. We never had much food in the house because there was a lot of mouths to feed. I left school at 16 with no qualifications, a criminal record, and couldn't even spell my own name. Everyone wrote me off and said that I would end up in jail with no hope for the future. I suffered from depression and anxiety and almost did go to jail. I had a nervous breakdown by the age of 21. I had a dream to make a success of myself in the music industry and spent many years trying, with people laughing in my face and calling me a dreamer, saying that I would never be anything. I ended up sleeping in homeless hostels and crashing on people's floors just to go to auditions, only to be told that I was too short or not the right fit. I truly started to believe that I was worthless and never be accepted or fit in anywhere in life. Life will always give you challenges and hurdles, and by no means has it been a smooth sail from there. But these days I know I have value and purpose in my life, and the fact that I'm a human being on the planet Earth is a fucking miracle itself. I won Best Recruit on ITV's Bad Lads Army. I become a tour manager working with celebrities that I only ever used to see on the TV. I work as a music agent consultant working with artists that I used to buy the records of, and now my record collection came to life and became my friends. I also work myself as an international artist alongside my beautiful wife, best friend and soulmate. I live in a beautiful home and travel to places that I never thought I would see. I've manifested more than I ever thought possible and want you to know that you can do the same. The purpose of this channel is to inspire you as a fellow human being, to realise that we are all part of this universe together, and no matter where you are on your journey in life, you are an equal to everyone. No one is above you, no one is below you. No matter your colour, religion, whether you're rich or poor, you are an equal. I want you to see the best in yourself and beat the biggest bully of all, the bully within your own mind. When you stand up to self-doubt and know that you are more powerful than you may give yourself credit for, then you can truly move mountains. You exist right now, in this moment, and the world has abundance waiting for you. The health, the love, the wealth, the dreams you desire, all the things you want in the world exist right now in this very moment. It's all available for you and just waiting for you to align and connect with the right vibration to experience life in its full beauty and abundance. This channel will help guide you from who you are to who you want to become. It will give you the tools and roadmap to accomplish the dreams and goals that you want to manifest. Trust in yourself. You are your own best asset in life. If you want to see a miracle today, then take a look in the mirror, and looking right back at you is that miracle. You are a fucking miracle. You are part of a universe full of mystery and magic that is available for us to tap into and make the law of attraction work for you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification so you never miss a video, go and smash the like button, reshape your life and create a world that you design.